There are basic steps in creating a flawless micro shading ombre brow that are crucial, and when you are missing part of this, well, you're just absolutely not going to have rave reviews or referrals, so it's actually affecting your bottom line. If your clients are naturally sending referrals, remember, they're your walking billboard. Then your end product may not be as perfected as you'd like. Let's tweak a few things in this video to get you more referrals organically with the simplicity of perfected healed brows. This video will show you a few pointers that most artists miss, so stay tuned to the end to make sure you're not making one of those costly mistakes.
Nice and slow. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these sections are pretty big when I'm actually working, so I'm going to cross section and cut this one in half so that I don't have to do such big needle movements. Some people do enjoy that and they're okay to do that, and you can, or you can cut it up into 2, so you'll do 4 here and 4 again, but still in the same section. I'm going to cut mine up, okay, and you're going to see I'm going to overlap this first section here by about a few millimeters. And that's how we're going to eliminate the issue of having direct lines in between each section. And then I'm pulling back. So after I do each pass, regardless of what service I'm doing, before I move on to this brow, before you work and you go and do the same thing on the other brow, you always want to pigment mask. So I'm going to take a little bit of pigment and I'm just going to rub it into the area that I've just finished tattooing. That's going to allow the skin to start to absorb the pigment so I can really see how much I've actually saturated. What you don't want to do is keep working and working and working, and it builds so much pigment, and then you mask at the very end and you find out you have made them way too dark. So you want to do this in between each section that you're doing when you're going back and forth from each brow, depending on what technique you're using, so that you can see how saturated it actually is so you don't over saturate any brow.
So let's quickly recap the basics to micro shading ombre brows so that you get the results and retentions for your clients. Always mask before doing more needlework to see the depth of color. Blend sections by overlaying them 2 millimeters so that you don't have distinct lines. And mask at the very end for 5 to 10 minutes until the pigment is dry for maximum retention and longevity. My name's Alana Beman, founder of the Cosmopolitan Academy. You may have seen me on the TV show The Legacy Makers or in one of the many publications globally. As a global beauty business coach and trainer, I have been helping businesses just like you learn how to maximize their skill and make more money in the beauty industry. If you love this video as much as I loved making it, then show some love and give me a subscribe, like, and at the very end of this video, we want to hear from you. So give us a comment to tell me what you would like to see and learn in a future video. Oh my gosh. Don't forget to subscribe. That makes us possible to keep giving you free content. And as our appreciation for your view and your subscribe, don't forget to join us live in our free webinar that dives really deep into conquering conversions online in the beauty industry. The link is in the description below, and we'll see you in the next video.